The Khasi Students' Union, along with the Hinyotrap Achik National Movement, today took the decision that they will take stern action against traders who are involved in hiking the prices of goods in the state. Some of the traders are trying to increase the prices of goods on the ground that the state government may impose lockdown in the state as the last resort to contain the spread of COVID-19. Members of these two organizations met the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, and apprised her that some of the traders are involved in hiking the prices of goods and asked her to take action against them. This matter was taken up with the Deputy Commissioner by the leader of KSU under the leadership of its chairman and vice chairman of Farmer and Consumer Protection Cell and HANM leaders.
Keluarga Jikudor Kedusan di Malam Margi, kaya kalian ke Khasi Student Timba ke Consumer Protection Cell, mutasi kelaban kedua markuat, bat GC dan Krisno keluarga ni kaman, bat kalian ini di akubur yang pada ruas naik Ladan kita kajik bengkiu di Dor Marbam di bawah wan koi nabar wala kataron kalian geseng nila kediki di by day ban pabu binyo diki priceless anti po CEO du anti apa borok di dukan ni nang ba terkom dir kom tiet jadi pajba punya celor sa dan kalian hiru ila ong hiru ba incem kia ba ladadon binono jing ujor nila menon men file komplain hang.
Speaking to the media, President of HANM, Lamprang Kharbani, said the Deputy Commissioner agreed that there has been a small increase in the prices of commodities and stern actions will be taken against scrupulous traders for taking advantage of the prevailing situation.
Bat ilaong ba ada lap ba kidon kimori gi ba sim kebu kemot keyboard district ki ong ban hab ban tikson hab le ban kam namar pi hoj ikubur iong galak bandon ke jingkiu dor tangba kamdei ban kiu dor palat aspa lai spa at least kada ban kiu sipau arpo kai lada katon ke jingkiu dor tengam ning lakli na uwei mohajon gong balai ba kiu dor kene haba man semnai wan fit ka yang tin sitin kamu stop oil kaknai sanpo menta balai hadu ar hajar ar spa wong namar ba hasli kuri dunamar balai hasli kuri dunamar katba ngayu i menen utu mohajon hapo batisi tibi wong wat kuslai kamar kapohu barkawe wong hana badon election sa West Bengal barsya Asam nga balai badon election sa West Bengal bat Asam balai pinsim kebu ne mekli ajungi dapun kiyo ki mar kimata tekum keseng isutu bagane gedai ka isu bakta isya ya pajba nang susong jela namarangi i bahane hagari jungi 90% dari bedok udah bakam jam long sutu bagane kajing kudor yang mabamde man kapor kalau kakta si kadai ya kini ki nong bala ya kini kam jam tingi so bon ong ba ka sarkar kadai ban simkhia ya kene kajing dawa jung seng leng kumta kum koseng ka bapek ya duk suk urali juki pajba ang snong ban se ban hapan ya besikmat
yang waktu dor minta punya wajib ni kata mata sini hati kata mata kau barang kit kat ni so kata kamu nah dia kit kat ni terko ni kata dulu mentangi kit kat dai solai ko kyo ba kan sadon ke strike bam semar